Hi everyone, this is Mandeep again from Ace Driving School. So in this video I have my student Ranjit with me. So Ranjit is new in Winnipeg. He's from India and he really need his license by end of January. So his wife is pregnant, first baby, so congratulations.
Thank you.
So yeah, so he has some driving experience from back home. So we're just gonna drive around and see how he's doing, and I will do my best, to help him out to get his driving license. And you guys, everyone, please pray for him, wish him good luck, and so we will do our best, and hopefully he will pass his driving test by end of this month. All right, so thank you. So we're gonna go on the road, and I will explain as we drive. I'm giving him driving lessons, and I will explain what he's doing wrong, what he's doing right, and so you guys will learn all the general mistakes and critical mistakes as well. So keep checking on both sides. So we are turning left next. So this is good, it's a wide road. We are staying in the middle of the road.
Yeah.
Right turn at the traffic lights. Okay, perfect. So you have your signal on, you're doing shoulder check, that's perfect. Your speed was good. You go here. So this will be actually critical mistake if you do this in the test, because what you're doing is you're doing a full stop, okay, and then you're going right. So we have a yield sign, so that means you slow down. If you see somebody coming, then you stop. Okay. But if you don't see any traffic coming, that means you go. So lane change to the left. And we are turning left at the traffic lights. Good. Yeah, so here you have both 9 and 3 o'clock. Your hand position is perfect. You're stopping before the stop line, so that's good. So we are just waiting for the light to turn green. You can look at the traffic lights. So we see the first two lights are black.
I'll just locate to the middle one, right?
Yes, yeah. So the middle light is for the left turns. The first, like on this intersection, the first two lights are for left turns. Now in Manitoba, if you see a black light, so the background of the light is black.
While taking left, I should see only the middle one, the down part, right? Should I see the upper one also?
They will both change at the same time.
Okay.
Yeah, the
all our
top light, yes, yes.
Just to have a view, okay.
Yes. Because it's a bigger intersection, so that's why they got like two sets of lights. So now you can look for a speed limit sign. If you don't see any sign, that means it's 50 maximum.
Okay.
So you're doing exactly 50, so that's perfect. So anytime, like when you're going straight, you want to be very careful with your speed.
Yeah.
If you go over the speed limit, that's automatic fail. If you're driving too slow without any reason, that's a possible automatic fail. So now we see a flashing amber light. So this light means you just have to be cautious. So the cross traffic, they have a flashing red light, so it's like a two-way stop sign for them. Your speed is still good. So here we see a green light and we see a walking man sign in that small screen there. So that means the light gonna stay green. Yes. Speed limit sign on the right hand side, so maximum 50. So now we see a crosswalk coming up. So yeah, no pedestrian. Okay, that's perfect. Yeah, so far you're doing good. We only had like that one critical mistake on the right hand, but everything else is perfect. Yes. Yeah. So just keep checking your speed. It's still 50 maximum. So same thing here, green light with a walking man sign, so the light gonna stay green for us. And now we see warning signs coming up. So yellow sign, pedestrian crosswalk is coming up, then railway crossing. So now the speed changes to 60 maximum. Yes, and on the crosswalk as well. Okay. So before the crosswalk, you need to move your head left and right, and same thing before the railway tracks, you move your head left and right, just to make it obvious to your examiner that you're checking. Yeah. So here, same
no
thing.
Pedestrian.
Yeah, no pedestrian. Good. And your speed is good because now we are in 60 zone, you're doing about 55. So 55 is good for this road condition. This traffic light, we are still going straight.